Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I've got a funny little story for you today that I think a lot of you might find familiar. So picture this. Linda is relaxing in the living room, flipping through a magazine. Her husband, George, is on the other side of the room, completely glued to the TV with the volume cranked way up. Linda calls out, "George, do you want some coffee?" Silence. George is still staring at the screen. She tries again, a little louder this time. "George, do you want coffee?" Still nothing. Finally, Linda gets up, walks right over to him, and practically yells, "George, coffee?" George whips his head around, looking super annoyed, and snaps. For the third time, "Linda, yes, I want coffee." Have you ever had a moment like this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more.